we will be continue the gates, universal gates. Okay. So, the universal gate you can use of your first one NAND gates. So, NAND gates you can use of your first I will explain the truth table. What is that? Same things of your input value A, again input value, 2 input value B. So, next one output. Okay. So, you can use of your input A and B and output will be displayed. So, what is that? You can enter the input value is 1, again B is 1, you can use of your 0. So, next one the input value is 1, again 0, what is that? The use of your NAND gate is 1 into 0, you can use of 1. So, again 0, you can use of your 1, what is that? The value is 1, output will be displayed. So, last one you can use of your 0 and 0, the value is 1. So, what is the difference? You can confuse of your value, what is that? The all the value is 0 into 0, you can use of your 0 value, but this NAND table you can use of your 1. Okay. So, this is the simulator table, you can understand the output. Okay. So, again go to the diagram. So, this is the truth table, again diagram. So, what is the diagram? You can use of your NAND. So, already you can understand the NAND gate. So, same things of your NAND gate you can use of your, what is that? So, this symbol. So, this is the NAND gate diagram. So, after that the simulation we can use, for example, A and B you can use of your simulator output. So, another one you can use, for example, this type of simulator. So, this is A value, B value. So, this is the NAND gate symbol, you can use of your output. So, this one you can understand of your diagram. So, this is the method you can changes of your NAND gate. Okay. So, this is the NAND gate truth table and diagram. So, next we will go to the NOR gate. I will erase the place. NOR, NOR. Again the input value will be changes. Okay. So, input value will be changes of your NOR gate, input value is 1, again the input value is 1. So, you can use of your 0. So, next one you can use of your 1, again the value is 0, the output will be display 0. So, next one you can enter the input value A is 0, again B value is 1. So, the output will be display 0. So, last one the table, the 0 value is enter the A and B is 0, after the output will be display, what is that? 1. Okay. So, this is the NOR gate, you can use of your output will be displayed. What is the diagram? You can use of your diagram. So, this is the diagram you can use. NOR gate. Okay. So, the simplification you can use of your simplification. Again one example you can use. So, this is the A value and B value you can use of your output. For example, simplification A value, B value. So, this is the output will be C. Okay. So, this is the understand of your this symbol you can use of your NOR gate. Okay. So, this is the universal gate, the category of your NOR gate and NAND gate. So, again one last one advanced gate. Advanced gate. So, this is the only one gate you can use of your XNOR gate. What is the truth table? So, truth table. So, same things of your two input, one is the input A, again input B, output. Okay. So, what is the input? A value enter, you can enter A. So, 1 is 1, the XNOR is 0. So, again 1 0, again output is 1. So, next one 0 1, the XNOR is 1, again 0 0, you can use of your 0. So, same things of your diagram. What is the XNOR diagram? You can use of your table diagram. So, this is the XNOR you can use. So, I will explain the Boolean. Okay. So, again the simulations of your, So, this is the symbol of your XNOR gate. So, I will enter the A value, again B value. So, A and B output will be displayed. For example, this is the A value and B value, you can changes of your C. Okay. So, this is the truth table and diagram. So, what is the truth table? I will explain. The A value is 1, again B value is 1. So, this is the output will be displayed 0. Okay. You can clearly understand of this advanced gates, XNOR gate. So, full and full of your truth table and diagram. First of all, you can understand the truth table and diagram. After that, you can go to the easily understand the simulator. Okay. So, one simulator I will explain the simulator tools in your system. Okay. You can generate the simulator. Okay. So, this is the simulator 1. Again, you can use of your kit. Okay. So, this is the kit box, you can use of your kit items. So, full of your, this is the system output generate. So, this kit will be used of your LED bulb generate. Okay. So, what is that? You can use of your simulator system, you can enter the value 1 and 1, the system will be generate the output. So, this is the kit, you can use of your box, this is the, you can use of your input value and output value, LED lights, you can display the output. Okay. So, after that, this is the session will be completed. After that, I will explain the simulator tools in your system and kit value. Okay. Thank you.